and welcome to this session on center drilling and drilling operation to required size. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now learn the objectives of the session. At the end of the session, you will be able to set the job on a 3-jaw chuck and set the tool to the center height. Set center drill in drill chuck of tailstock. Perform center drilling on a work held in a 3-jaw chuck. Drill through hole using drill. State the errors or defects in center drilling and rectification methods. Tools required: center drill, drill chuck, tailstock, drill bit, steel rule, outside caliper, lathe machine, surface gauge, turning tool, facing tool, drill bit of different sizes, chamfering tool. Select the round workpiece and ensure that the workpiece is 65 mm long and 45 mm in diameter. Hold the work in a 3-jaw chuck about 50 mm outside and true. Finish face the work with the facing tool. Ensure no pip is left out in the center and the face is at right angles to the axis. Remove dirt on the taper shank of the chuck and the tailstock spindle taper bore. Mount the drill chuck in the tailstock spindle. Fix the center drill of size A2002.5 by 6.3 or IS2473 into the drill chuck. Slide the tailstock over the bed until the center drill is close to the work face. Lock the tailstock in this position. Set the spindle speed to about 1000 rpm. Start the machine and slowly feed the center drill into the work by rotating the tailstock hand wheel. Withdraw the drill frequently from the workpiece to clean the chips and to apply the cutting fluid. Continue drilling until about 3/4 of the tapered portion of the center drill has entered the work. Ensure that uniform continuous pressure is applied during feeding and no extra force is given. After drilling to the correct depth, withdraw the tailstock spindle and remove the center drill from the drill chuck. Set the turning tool on the tool post and ensure that the tip of the tool and tip of the dead center are on the same plane. Perform turning operation for a length of about 35 mm. Reverse the job and hold 40 mm side in a 3-jaw chuck. Set the facing tool on the tool post and perform facing operations. Set the turning tool and perform turning operation to get a diameter of 40 mm. Let us discuss about through-hole drilling operation on lathe. Hold the workpiece in 3-jaw chuck in such a way that central drill side should face the tailstock end. Fix a drill bit size of 5 mm to drill chuck in the tailstock. Slide the tailstock over the bed until the center drill is close to the workface. Perform drilling operation to get through hole in the job with 10 mm drill bit. Perform drilling operation progressively with respect to the drill bit fixed in the drill chuck. Apply oil during the drilling operation to remove heat. Chamfer the drilled hole inside for a dimension of 1 by 45 degree. Chamfer the hole on another side to a size of 1 by 45 degree. To recap, we have learned to set the job on a 3-jaw chuck and set the tool to the center height. Set center drill in drill chuck of tailstock. Perform center drilling on a work held in a 3-jaw chuck. Drill through hole using drill. State the errors or defects in center drilling and rectification methods.
So that's all about center drilling and drilling operation to required size. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.